bunch of tomato bushes back here that we actually need to prune up and up pot. And we're going to winter them over so that next year we don't have to do near as much putting tomatoes in the ground. So we're going to get started on that here in just a second. So clumsy back here, guys. I actually do wear an AFO, so long story. I think I've talked about that a couple of times, not trying to be the dead horse. I've got a lot of this tomato still keeps trying to grow, but yeah, it needs to be cut back. It's seen its better days. Hey everyone, we're back in the back. The other day I did a lot of pruning on some bushes back here, and I'm actually going to show you what we do with our tomato plants once the end of the year comes around. I'll find myself here because these are indeterminate, so I don't see any point in wasting them. So I'm going to get down here with this little spade, if I can possibly get back here. It's kind of just make some cuts around the bottom of this, trying to get the root system up without damaging the entire plant. Got it out pretty good. So most of the roots still look pretty decent. Not a huge root ball, but that's okay. Some of this dirt. Get a little bit of that native soil that was in the bottom here. You can see I've already cut the stalk back. And yeah, it looks kind of rough, but roots and stuff, that system, the lower part, is still alive. So I've got a bucket here with some compost, some soil, kind of blend it in, mixed up. And this bucket right here that I had this in actually has this grate at the bottom. I wish I should have showed you that before I put this in here, but it's a self-watering grate. Now what I'll do with this, I'm not throwing these away. I've got several more. I know I've got a lot of work ahead of me. I'm going to do this one here to demonstrate what we do. And I'll get the rest of these done at a different time. I missed that one. But I'll take this, my greenhouse over here, and we'll winter those over. And next spring we'll bring it back out and put it back in the ground, and it'll take off again. This thing will winter over, just like you can do the same thing with this. Tomato plants, as you do with peppers as well. You can also do eggplant. These are indeterminate, and you can keep growing them for up to several years. I actually have a couple of pepper plants that produce extremely well, and they're like 3 years old now. So I think that's going to do it for today, guys. It's getting kind of late here. Fixing to head into the house and get supper started. So we'll catch you guys on the next video.